Baby. Yeah, baby. Ah, super nice house. I'm gonna miss it. So today I'm biking to Pałac Mojej Woli, which is an abandoned palace or villa in Poland somewhere. It looked very freaky from the pictures, like a bit like Blair Witch Project. The house is being overtaken by nature, basically. So that's Zbornik Sosny. If we go to the left, we will go to the abandoned villa. So after a week, it started raining, which is kind of nice. What is this sound? What? Oh, that's my shoe. Anyway, yeah, it's nice that there's a bit of wetness on you and not just the constant heat. Some kind of sign. The boars are transmitting some kind of disease to the other pigs. Anyway, let's use a Google Lens to translate what it says over here. So the original building was constructed in 1852 by some duke. It got passed on quite a few times. Main things is the what do you say it? The building is covered with vines of great size, mainly flowering ivy, climbing clematis, and actiniva kiwi holly. On the other side, there are 5 yew trees, including 3 monuments. Apparently, during the battles for Wrocław in 1945, this palace served as a frontline hospital. That's pretty cool. Well, there it is. Wow. I think the outside of the building is some kind of bark. Wow. Actually falling apart. Yeah, you can see some parts were added later, like the tower over there. It's a very striking building though. Interesting building, right? It's is there an entrance? Is that enter, door, dwer, dwerek?
Pałac Myśliwski, ale nie wiem tu. Była tu szkoła, spójrz. W środku kiedyś byłam, 2 lata temu udało mi się wejść.
Open, and now it's closed.
Tak, teraz są pozamykane te okna.
Jammer. Oh ja, maakt niet uit. Yeah, they locked everything, as you can see. Maybe I can climb in somehow, but I figure it's not possible. Oh, doggo, check it out. Hey, doggo. Okay, my first SD card is almost full, but let's see, 2 more minutes left. Oof, I thought that there was somebody hammering, but it's just the water leaking. This is definitely an entrance, but clothes and everything will be dirty if you do that. Wow. Just look at that, everything covered with bark. Incredible. Guessing it's closed. Yep. I mean, that could be an entrance though, but I don't want to get dirty. Yeah. I think the lady said it was open 2 years ago. And now it's actually object privatny. Shame, shame, shame. The pics look great. Oh well. I think if you're a good climber, you can actually climb up this thing somehow. Oof, maybe not. Nope. Never mind. Hey! 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 Oh. Yeah? Still mad? Hey! Okay, just don't bite my ass. That's a good doggo. Baby. Yeah, baby. So strength is just basically gone. I'm super weak. Yesterday I ate about 7,300 calories, and I think I burned way more than that just by biking. And so the bench press is usually 6 sets of 100, and now I'm like struggling. 6 reps of 92.5 kilograms, but the equipment is different, so that also takes a while to get used to. Anyway, it's not a good feel, but I expected it somehow. I've seen this one in the Polish Museum in Poznan. Oh. It's almost 9, 8:37, and I didn't find a sleeping spot. Man, time flew by. All I did was bike and gym today. It's a bit annoying to set up camp when it's dark. So I'm out of breath. See how quiet it is here. Probably super quiet. Yep, super quiet. Climbed up this hill. As you can see down there, that's the hill. And these are the big ass trees. Hangmat is over here, and I have to be careful for this fire not to spread across the entire wood area. So it's a very small one. Wow, there's fireflies here. Whoa, I've never seen those before. Whoa, just lights in the air. Hold up, the fire got on again. Man, I just saw a few. I've never seen anything like that. Ah, damn it, of course they're scared of the fire, probably. Whoa.